How to change clock size on your iPhone iOS 27. Simply you just open your settings, scroll down, press on general, software update. Make sure to update your iOS 27. Close this. And long press in your blank screen. Press on to customize. Easily increase or decrease clock size. Select your clock. Thickness decrease, thickness increase. To opacity, just make it to glass icon. Select any color. If you want to set your own color, okay, change style, and note down when you set up to any style, then you not get to increase or decrease clock size option. So if you want to change clock size, must be select this font. When you select this font, then you can easily increase or decrease size. Okay, press on done. That's it.